Nakakaloka ka, Prinsipe Sungit, ha? Okay lang naman, sungitan mo ko. Pinsukaan ba naman ako? Ito. Ano po? Isukaan ba naman ako? Sumusobra ka na. Tapos, and then I like that you're...
Wala yun.
Naku, nagwapo. Hindi lang kita
Wala yun.
Pero iniwan ako na doon.
Andrew.
Ano? Narinig mo yung sabi ko? Lasing ka naman eh. Hindi mo malala itong moment na to.
Thank you, ha? Pinagsasagaan mo pa ako.
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Kasi mo yung family mo dito? I don't love me. Nobody loves me.
Sa aking igises.
Hindi naman siguro.
It's true. Kaya yung kumapansin. Para papansin nila ako.
Nandito naman ako ah. Lagi kita pinapansin. Lagi nga kita tinitingnan. Kapag na kaya? Sir. Tapos na.
Okay na?
Galing.
First time I laid my eyes on someone like you, I can't forget the hour, that moment with you. Then I have realized love's growing deep inside. I feel the beating of my heart. 'Cause every day, every night, I keep looking up the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms and love will never end. We belong together, always and forever. Call my name and I'll be there. Spending my days and nights just thinking of